Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to navigate to the Visits to Do section of Field Central, in addition to available filtering and setting options. Knowing where to go within the system to locate these visits will help ensure you are able to stay on top of all visits that still need to be scheduled and completed. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Needs Attention icon in the Quick Action panel and select Visits to Do, or Main Menu, Visits, and then Visits to Do. On the left-hand side of the screen, there are filter options available to you in order to narrow down the list of visits to do. Additionally, all columns are editable and can be used to narrow the search as well. Be sure to use both filter options in order to generate the desired list of visits to do. Once your list is filtered, it is important to adjust the page limit before selecting Mass Schedule to ensure your entire list of visits to do is captured. Only the results shown on the first page will appear when selecting Mass Schedule. Additionally, the number of visits to do displayed in Needs Attention is directly related to the proposed date. If the proposed date is adjusted, the number displayed in Needs Attention will also adjust accordingly. Lastly, you have a couple of mass actions available to you from this log: Mass Email or Mass Update Proposed Date. Ready to give it a go? Navigate to your Visits to Do log the next time you log in and give these filters and tips a try for yourself.